Greetings to all. In this video, we will derive the formula for finding the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon. Let us recall that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Suppose we have three polygons other than a triangle. Let us say a quadrilateral, a pentagon, and a hexagon. Let us begin with a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has four sides: 1, 2, 3, and 4. The question is, how many triangles are there in a quadrilateral? Take note, the triangles that we would like to see are triangles that tessellate, and one of their sides is the polygon side. To determine the number of this kind of triangle, from a reference vertex, make all the possible diagonals by folding the paper. This is our reference vertex. With this diagonal, we can say that there are 1 and 2 triangles. Given these two triangles, we say that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 2 times 180 degrees, and that is equal to 360 degrees. So again, a quadrilateral has four sides. It has two triangles, and the sum of the measures of the interior angles is 360 degrees. Now let's consider a pentagon. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once again, by making all the possible diagonals, we can tell the number of triangles in a pentagon. This is our reference vertex. Let us now count the number of triangles. We have 1, 2, and 3 triangles. So the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a pentagon is 3 times 180 degrees, and that is equal to 540 degrees. Again, a pentagon has 5 sides. It has 3 triangles, and the sum of the measures of the interior angles is 540 degrees. And lastly, we have a hexagon. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just like what we did earlier, we make all the possible diagonals. This is our reference vertex. Let us now count the number of triangles. We have 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, and 4 triangles. So, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a hexagon is 4 times 180 degrees, and that is equal to 720 degrees. Again, we have a hexagon with 6 sides, with 2 triangles, my apologies, with 4 triangles, and the sum of the measures of the interior angles is 720 degrees. All right, let's have a review. A quadrilateral with 4 sides has 2 triangles. A pentagon with 5 sides has 3 triangles. A hexagon with 6 sides has 4 triangles. Is there a pattern that you notice in the number of sides of a polygon and its number of triangles? If you say that the number of triangles is equal to the number of sides of the polygon minus 2, then you are correct. So if we have an n-gon, that is a polygon of any n number of sides, the number of triangles is n minus 2. So again, the number of sides here is n. Since we know already how many triangles are there in any polygon, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of an n-gon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And this is the number of triangles times 180 degrees. Wow! You finally derived the formula for finding the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon. I hope you enjoyed learning with me in this video. That's all for today. Till next time.